Hi, it's Bruno Bergi. Today I want to talk about skills you need when you want to build an online business. There are so many skills you have to learn to be effective with your online business. For example, writing sales letters, writing emails that convert to customers, or to create landing pages, to create your blog, and so on. And you see, there's many things to learn. And the way I learned all these things is when I joined the community from the Six Figure Mentors. The reason I joined there was because the people there had so much knowledge about how to do all these things. And from my point of view, it's the easiest thing to learn from people who already know it, how it works, and who can show you how you can implement it in your business. And therefore, I really appreciate the Six Figure Mentors, and it would be great when you also would join us at the Six Figure Mentors and work together with us, and so that we can help you to improve your skills and also to set up your business so that you are one of the people who are really profit from the system that's already set up. And it makes life so much easier when the system is already set up and when you can learn these skills in a way you never expected before. It's Bruno Bergi.